Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I can't hear you.
Hello.
No audio. Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes so that others can join. Then we'll start off. By the time others join, I just simply like, remesh the model and make it a little cleaner. Don't worry, this will be fixed. This we extracted from the hand, so I scaled this thing slightly. So, but you can see the topology is all messed up. I need a clean topology. So what I'll do is I'll go to Z measure. My symmetry view is on, and I just simply click keep groups so that I have this thickness and click on Z measure. So it will reimage the entire model, but there will be little bit issues here and there. That is, I can click reimage one more time to fix that. You see, now it's a perfect clean geometry. Only difference is it's slightly uneven here. That is something I can click again and correct it. So 2-3 times remesh and it will fix that problem. But now the thickness have reduced. To fix that, I'll go to deformation and there's something called inflate. So click this, like maybe one inflate, another one. So one or two inflate and it will fix the problem. And this is so I can fix it manually. BMT because they are very close. So I'm using move topology so that it should not affect this part. This thing is fixed. In similar manner, I'll fix all this extracted geometry because you can see the topology is not correct. So I need to have clean topology. So I'll go to geometry again, select part, extracted part, keep groups. So it will retain the groups, all these poly groups, remesh, remesh multiple times. So it will give you really clean topology. So everything will be super clean. All shape, everything will become super clean. Okay. Similar manner, belt. Oh, my bad. Undo, keep groups. So 5,000 is way too much for this. So reduce to 3,000. Clean topology, clean geometry. So like this, it will fix. Okay. So electric also joining. So gloves ready. This piece of cloth ready. This thing is already there in ZBrush. We have used it directly with just a piece of cloth, gloves. Now, a few more things. We have that strap going around our body. So for strap, I can see like this strap, this thing. I need to create this. So on body, so body have multiple subdivisions. So with subdivision, insert mesh doesn't work. So what I'll do is for this, Control Shift D or duplicate. Both are same. Control Shift D, duplicate the model. Then I can isolate the model, or I can keep it like this. Hide this body and go to subdivision level. I can delete all subdivision on duplicate model. Now I have this model and I want to need to create this strap. So this is something I can do it very easily. This one brush is already there, curved strap. It's a default brush of ZBrush. I can use it and create this thing very quickly. Okay, now, so right now it's symmetry. So I won't use symmetry because I'll create only one side and then do symmetry the model. And you can continue this. Let's check the back side. The back side here. And here. So I feel it's way too thick. So what I'll do, I'll reduce the brush size and then click on this thing again. It will fix the problem. If I wanted, I could have like extracted it from the base also, but this is also fine. And I can click here and drag the mesh also. It will snap on the body perfectly. So everything is correct. Once everything is right, click on the body and get rid of the spline. Now go to split mask point. This body, hide it. That body is not required anymore. So now we have this strap. I need to symmetry this strap. Z plug, subtool master, mirror, merge into same subtool, or I can keep them separate also. Both are fine. X axis. So basic shape is ready. I can see there is a like a crisscross. To fix that, Shift F, and I can see polygroup. So I have to make sure both the things are two separate polygroups. Go to polygroup and click on auto polygroup. So both will be separated. Now move topology. Like the second, create this thing very easily. Shift F. front I have layering, so I can layer it, select this and push it outer slightly. Okay, so layering also done, and this is like you can see clean geometry. There is no error, no issues. And now this thing, I can create this rings very easily. For this, what I'll do is I'll click on any of them, right click them, switch, right click, and let's take a sphere, control N, so get rid of that thing. No, this is not the correct one. I need this sphere. Control N. So it will get rid of those extra thing. Press T, isolate, correct. Now I want to need to create this ring. I'll go to initialize, no taper. Okay, not this one. I can use ring. Let's see. No twist. Coverage also full. Subdivision level, I can increase, decrease. Is fine. Keep it low. So once this is done, its name is ring 3D1. Go back to your model. Go to subtool, append. You can see that ring is here. Click and it's here. The scale. Reset. Align with the body. Once one side is fixed, just symmetry, mirror, done. The straps are ready, and now you can see some chain link is here. There's a pocket and those small things, and these holes. I guess I have to belt. Yeah, here. So there is a pocket, and plus there's all these holes here. So this is my belt. So I need to create all these holes here. So how do I do it? I'll create a cylinder, like append a cylinder here, any cylinder, and reduce the size, keep it one side, just belt. Shift, click on the eye, hide everything, switch it on, only the belt and this part. So make sure everything is hidden, not in solo mode, hidden here in subtool. Now resize, scale it slightly. -90°. And place it here and align it properly. It's too wide, make it small. Control Shift sorry, Control and Alt together. Just move the subtool. It will create a duplicate in same subtool. Control Alt together, move it again. Align, Control Alt. Control Alt. Create half and then symmetry, mirror, done. So here I can see two of this. One I'll delete. So to separate this, I'll go to polygroup, auto group, control, and click on that one cylinder you want to move. So it will select that one based on polygroup. Or if I want, I can delete this also. That will be like much easier to control. Split, mask point, and this one delete. Control, Gizmo mode, control, click on this. This one is selected. Control Alt, move it. Control Alt, move it. Control Alt. Make it center. So instead of like doing this entire thing again, I can just simply Control Shift this one and hit unmasked, separate this. Oh, my bad. I have accidentally separated these, all of this. So merge them again. Merge down. Okay. Control, click on this, only this. Okay. Same polygroup. That's why. Polygroup. Only this one is selected. Subtool, split, unmask point, it's separated. Now this thing I can symmetry easily. Correctly done. And here I can see only one. And select that one. Polygroup, auto polygroup. Select any one of them. Or Control Shift, click Q, Control Shift, click on this, double click, second click. It will hide that polygroup. I can go to geometry, modify topology, delete hidden. So now that one extra cylinder is gone. It's not there anymore. Merge down. All of them are merged. Now I need to create hole. Basically, I need to boolean it. So for this, what I do is else only this part. So Shift move it up, belt, shift, move it up. And this part I need to create hole. So I'll move, select this one, move up. Oh no, it was correct only. Move down, select this, your belt, and switch on your live boolean. And now click on this intersection. Shift F, you can see it will create holes in your geometry perfectly without any problem. But this is just a preview. Mesh is still there. It's not, I have to create this, I have to boolean it. So now I'll go to boolean and click on boolean mesh. It will process this thing and generate a boolean geometry. Yeah, it's done. It's done here. So now I have to delete this one, belt, delete, and those cylinders, delete, and append, and here is the belt. Shift, click everything. Everything is visible again. Okay, these shorts I have to create. So this body height. Control. Deselect everything. Lasso tool. Freehand. Basic shape is ready. Extract, extract, accept. Deselect. Shift F, you can see it's a poly count, this polygon, this all this thing I have to fix. Z measure, keep group, 5000 is fine. Let's see remesh. It will remesh the entire thing. So here I can see it's not aligned properly. So symmetry B and B, push it inside. Okay. Now we have this pocket. That is something I can like extract from the body itself, or I can use like a sphere or something. Append sphere. Align it properly. The top part should be straight. So press Q, select trim lasso rectangle or rectangle. Control Shift, cut it. It will become a straight cut. You see, perfectly cut. Make it thin. B and V. This body, I can, gloves and body I can hide. It's way too high poly, reduce the polygons. So maybe 1 or 2, remesh. Shift F, maybe remesh one more time. And it's slightly rounded. So what I'll do is I'll click on this deformer, arc deformer, and click this and bend it slightly. It will become slightly curved. Then press on this gizmo again, accept it. The bend is ready. It's pretty thin and I have pockets, so I'll make it a little thin. So those pockets I have to create, those are basically cylindrical shapes. I can go to ring, initialize 180° half. Okay, let's keep it like this. I'll just extend this base part. Basic shape. Go back to my model. Append. (180°). Like 3 of them. Control Alt. Control Alt. I guess 4. So and it, soften it slightly. Don't worry about that. That is something you can fix. Just remesh the model. So remesh it creating all these things, so that's something you can fix very easily. Solo mode. One. Image and now soft it. Reimage once again. One more time. Almost correct. Move them slightly inside. Slightly angle correction. Okay. Basic things are ready. Now we have shoes. For shoes, let's select body, angle, select, extract, slightly thick. Select, deselect, deselect. This is supposed to be round, no fingers, nothing. That will fix. Flip it. Symmetry. Alt and move the pivot point. Alt, move the pivot point. Center of this thing. And then now here, like inside part I need to delete, otherwise it will create problem in Dynamesh. So Control Shift, click on that inside part, it will hide that section. Go to geometry, same polygon. Go to geometry, modify topology, delete it, and done. Now Dynamesh, Dynamesh. So all these things will go and will cap this section also. Dynamesh. BCB clay buildup to add or remove things. Dynamesh. And this sole. For that, I can just simply append some cube or something, or I can just simply remesh this also. Dynamesh is like enough. Remesh it. Keep groups, remesh. So it will retain all this group. Let's see. Space, I need to make it a little thick. Select and create this and control W. So separate the poly group. So these two are separate poly groups. Now I can remesh again. It will retain this line. And this base, I want to make it really sharp and clean. Cut it. It's perfectly clean. Quick save. Now, like basic, you see, basic blocking is almost ready. Basic shapes. There's no detail as such yet. So I will add all the details and everything. Before that, we need to fix few things like piece structure and everything. So here you can see BMP. 2.2 and cheekbones are slightly heavy and prominent. BCB clay buildup. Soften it. Make cheekbones slightly prominent. Okay, mouth is open, so I have to open the mouth. And select it like this. Control Shift. Oh, subdivision level. Yes. Oh, okay. I need to change this to select brush. Control Shift. Isolate only this lower lips part. So I can see it's half things are not visible. So to increase the selection, press Control Shift and X. Increase the selection. Yeah, now it's fine. Upper lips is still not visible. DMV. Control Shift, drag outside to invert it. And click outside and then get rid of this thing. This is so we can fix easily. Lower division and fix it perfectly. One up, smooth, another up, clean. Mouth is open. Move. Slightly inside. Jawline is very prominent, BDS. Make it really prominent. Eyes are really big, so I have to increase this part, make it bigger. So easiest, go to lowest subdivision. Select this area, invert it, soften it, scale. No, this won't work. It create a problem. So okay, I'll just because let's change the volume also. So okay, one I can delete. I can keep only one. Move brush, push it outside, outside. At angle. Now to fix this, BCB. Now this eyelid thickness, damn standard, inverted. I'm holding Alt. BCP. So now I have to fix this cheekbones and everything. So soften it. Extract. It's too much. Accept. Keep groups. Okay. So basic structure is almost ready. Now we have to refine like collarbones and all these things. We have to refine everything, get everything clean. It will do, and plus hair. So for hair, it's usually alphas. So for this, what we'll do is we'll create alpha cards within ZBrush so that we don't have to do it manually in Max or Maya. We can do it directly in ZBrush and place a alpha and then check it and then fix everything. We can do that. So we'll do that thing. Save my file. So that's in basic body. I haven't modified because the body already available in ZBrush. It's almost similar to the similar proportion. Like few things, yes, I have to modify like collarbones and all this thing because it's a base model. I have to add details and some details in cloth and also cloth also. And fold, I have to work on folds. From Lightbox, what? Like from Lightbox, what we'll do? Like texture, detail, what? Yes, from Lightbox. Yes, it's by default it's there. Let's see here. A male body, female body. If you go to projects, you can see there's a more heads. If you go to tools, you have more body. These are all default. It's already there in ZBrush. Okay. This piece, this is it's little straight. have to make it a little straight, clean those things. Okay. And for denture, teeth also it will create, and eyelash also. So basic blocking is almost there. Now we have to add details everywhere, fix everything, all shapes.
Sir, can you upload the previous recordings of this?
And I have
Biped
created
model.
biped, quadruped folders. You can submit your things here.
No, I'm asking the recording. Hello.
चैट में देखिए सर को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है सो वो सुन नहीं पा रहे हम.
Present, dimension present. Then we have that's not already. Udanish, okay. Present. Then we have Ritik present. Harris, no, Mohit Roy. Then we have me. Then we have Pratyush, Rohit. Then Sahil, Sagar, Sanjana.
रितेश,
Shashwat.
हाँ
ये कौन सा क्लास हुआ बाइपैड का? थर्ड.
सेकंड.
Yes, I'll upload today evening. I'll upload all the recordings. Okay. Okay, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow also we have class. This week I guess every day we have class. So yeah, I see you guys tomorrow. So we'll also start working on this thing. Like if you have any doubts, anything, get back to me. I'll solve it. Okay. Bye bye.